Kulumka sini rangsak ni mare kising song. Tai joto nai tong nai. Tai joto sini rangsak ni bayep song no ani khane hamjak ma tai jobani chibai. O horzorao tini life haino rok ni thani ma phaipika. Norok joto saimano khanani sal. Totha je 18 December 2025 Tiprasani sini amani kok borok mother tongue sini kok borok no roman script by sinani bagai jeseng dabi sanlai mani bagai khanani salo sung joto palbak saka nokholaine norok thanai koyekdin sakang nukhna Tripura Rajyoni Blaike Koroksa Kotorkuk Neta Kotorkuk leaders Tam Kok Sakha Roman script no tuye je nazar andast eba ignore klaimani kok bo flang ke jotoni beskang samani norok kana ajaga bo Sakha tangai Roman hai script no adapt khaine bagai tipra sarok san tipra sarok ni nijiso jani script no sonamnani bagi tangi chaitok ya tai I man ganang borok no a borom ganang kuk borok no tini sini riang brorok ni sakawabo Bangladesh ni hini pojonto se samani sengnukha I borom ganang borok no haino hai thanai astabol ni sini je mass gathering je northeast ni thansang mani Asal no kasunani bagai joto dondo bed proyuk khaye tini tiprasani je mass gathering no kasunani bagai tini joto digi prosason digi shokti chalagui sono kasuna naimani sunukha tini ang sei man ganang borom ganang kuk okra kuk bumungtang sana thanglia sabo tini ang o message no ronani musung haise When Urdu language was forcefully imposed in East Pakistan on people whose mother tongue was Bengali, it ultimately led to the creations of Bangladesh. The history clearly teaches us the lessons. Do not impose any language, any script on people against their will. जब उर्दू लैंग्वेज को इस पाकिस्तान में जबरदस्ती बांग्ला बोलने वाला समुदाय के ऊपर थोपा गया तो उसी का परिणाम एक नया रूप बांग्लादेश करके नया देश बनने के लिए हम लोग को देखने को मिला तो आज इतिहास हमें क्लियरली दिखा रहा है कि कोई भी अगर समुदाय के ऊपर कोई भी जाति का ऊपर या फिर कोई भी भाषा के खिलाफ अगर जबरदस्ती थोपने के लिए कोशिश करता है तो उसी जाति उसी समुदाय के लोग आज सब एक संग होके लड़ने के बाद आज बांग्लादेश करके एक नया देश बना वही त्रिपुरा राज्य में भी होने जा रहा है और जबकि हम लोग को अपना चॉइस मिलना चाहिए जब पंजाब का लोगों को अपना चॉइस मिलता है जब महाराष्ट्र का लोगों को उनका चॉइस मिलता है तो व्हाई नॉट फॉर त्रिपुरा इफ a person from Punjab, if a person from Maharashtra, if a person from Bihar, if a person from Himachal Pradesh have rights to choose, right to adopt whichever script they wish to, why only being imposed on us without our consent? The Tiprasa people also should have rights to choose our script in whichever script we wish to adopt. Tini o kokno sung saimana nang na haisi khanani sal blai ke sin bagi important Kanani salno borok party ni rup no nu yakari S1 tipra sang sing jotono ma painai. Kanani salo amani kok borok no tui sing sanani bagai pal baksa kama no holai thik pasta somoy sari ko every blog go sing kana homchang rally ni bising tui sini kha dumani no funuk nai. Sabo a borok sini rights no seknani nai nai. Sini sinimung no seknani nai nai. Sini basa no seknani nai nai. Sini ganmung chumung no seknani nai nai. Sini hani bumung no seknani nai nai. Sabo. I hani busa seng. Sini amani kok borok no tamo script by sinai. Seng te kanya haisi. I hani busa seng. Tamo chanai seng. Seng decide kanya haisi. I hani busa seng. Tamo kok no seng sanai seng decide kanya haisi. Kebo payoro suno sapainyani kokia. Tini norok nukhana. Sini amani kok borok no seng Roman script by adopt kanyani. Since from long year ago, this demand has been raising by the people of our Tiprasa haisi. Today someone comes and says that they'll not allow us to write the script that we wish to adopt. Who are they? Who gave them power? It's our right, has fundamental rights. Of fundamental rights, no? Kebo seknani, kebo nanani, kuno shakti kre haise. BJP rok tabu clear khainani dorka. Asamo kwangma jati rok tini Roman script by seitong. Aja ketang kok saya kuno fano. Meghalaya o seitong tang kok sai me yaro. Mizoram kok Roman script by seitong. Why can't they tell that? Tiprasano simi khawoi tiprasano simi shushon khai je kushupna naimani. We are not going to tolerate haisi. Tomorrow sung jotta palbaksa khaye thik pasta somoyo homchang rally tuyi jotta sara tripura sung nongkhona haisi. Tini ang sanani musungu sini IPFT khania leader sokno. I really would like to give thanks from bottom of my heart to the General Secretary of IPFT Series Sapan Debbarma G. Bini statement clear kaze samani abonang balai blake khabe hambairo. Yes, that should be the spirit of every Tiprasa. When it comes to our rights, no political party is bigger than our jati. No political party is above our identity, I say. Our identity is our identity. Party ni sai kuno dino tori manya. Identity sini jati sini zakmu. Abo party ni sai kuno dino tori manya. IPFT ni General Secretary no belai kang khabai khukbe hambai ruo. Tini ovo hai zora wo. Party no choose khai wo jati no choose khai kok samani. And ang ovo request kanya IPFT ni jotto sini warriors. IPFT ni jotto sini sengkrak rong IPFT ni jotto samung tangne rokno. Kanani salo oze homchang rally wo jotto pal baksa kai thancha khlaiye amani kok borokno sing Roman script by sinani bagai sara India ni buskang homchang rally ni bisingti sing kana ekta strong message honani jate kemoni himatta tongthoba haike stage ro basawi sanani je kok borokni script no kok borokni je rights no seknani bagai are ang tabu kamchli chumi tongmani abani rights ani hairstyle amti khai tongmani abani rights tamo chanai abani rights. Then why don't I have a right to choose which script I wish to adopt for writing my mother tongue? It should be given to us, I see. This right should be given to us. No one should interfere, no one should bother, I see. Did we tell anyone to adopt Devanagari script instead of choosing their mother tongue Bengali? Did we say any time that? Then how dare borok suno sanani ako? one sukte haisi BJP khaitong na sini leaders ro boro moncho kok saw haisi dofani baga hamjabu dofani baga khlaine dofani baga jati ni baga khlaine ne amani kok borok ni baga khana sung jok to tiprasa thansage haitong I hope norok party ni sai jati no chikon nu gyawoi party ni sai jati no koton nu guinora bukhana fine hene amani kok borok no tini sinani bagai tini Devanagari script ni ti kok saitong Bengali script ni kok no saitong je ucharon pronunciation se chaya bahike nang mutai no Bengali language bai sinai khuteng no bahike nang Bengali language bai sinai Devanagari script bai sinai kamajak no nang bahike Devanagari bai sinai musang no nang bahike Devanagari bai sinai bini je pronunciation exactly Roman script by the correct tinini dino the world communicate with Roman script the world communicate with English huh o netarok je sane kotor bashon ronai rok bi basa bati rok tok borok English medium school pori ritonu and when tiprasa learning ni kok sakang kita mo na we can't allow are who are you to border? Who are you to interfere? It's our fundamental rights. India wo jotoni no rights tongo. Any religions, any language, any cultures, anything choose kainani. No one should take these rights from us, I say. Kana sengkonai. Tripura Student Federation sognang khabai khukbe hambai maru I say. Jati dofani bagai borok je. Khlai tongmani TISF rokno bang khabai khukbai hambai maru haise khabai khukbai sini TISF students rokbo hatai dofani bagai amani kok borok rokni bagai tini sawi tongmani haise His Highness Maharaj nong khabai khukbai hambai maru haise bobo tini dofani bagai hani bagai jottono chabai khai tongmani haise but proshno hongai je bason kotor rei tongnai sei neta rokni kok se oro proshno Broiler cook to cook nai. Boroni cock manabo. Huh? Nini tiprasano cook na nibagin in cox haitongo. Titi adisi was haboto. Tiprasa. Tiprasaro no broiler cook to cook na haja. No. Tiprasani tribal welfare minister in position asuk rukha. For the welfare of Tiprasa. Now we are saying Tiprasani no broiler cook to cook na ne. Minister Saf. We did not expect this kind of statement from you at least. From the beginning, we were expecting that in your tenure that you will do the welfare of our people. You will do the welfare of our Tiprasa. But what we hear from you, such a derogative statement, we did not expect, Minister Saf. I think parties should not be above our identity. Parties should not be above our cultures, our language. So tomorrow, the whole Tiprasa going to participate in the movement. I wish and I hope you will also change your mind and choose your people instead of party and give your identity above the political party. I see. Kana sung expect kayo I see. Kotor bason relayu sung. Tiprasano se tok bukur cook ti cook na nipo. Amra Bangladesh kotor kok saitong chiri khogei din sal kutung salon sal kathang saitong. Ha agur tola saboni Kanchanpur saboni Telimoro saboni. That time those so-called big leaders don't have even single words to speak against them. And now they're daring to speak against our Maharaj. I see. Jantaro kaham ke nai tong I see. Hamzak ma bai Dof hanibai khaine khaidi overhaya haisi. We respect Honorable Chief Minister. We respect Honorable Ministers. But we don't expect such derogatory words from you all. You are not only minister for particular community. You are not only CM for particular communities. You are CM for everyone. You are minister for everyone. And when other communities have right to choose their script, why only Tiprasa can? The questions arises. Is this the mantra of Sabka Sat Sabka Vikas that our Prime Minister always would like to see? Our Prime Ministers often say Sabka Sat Sabka Vikas. How can be a Sabka Sat Sabka Vikas when our own Tiprasa in our own land do not have rights to choose which script we wish to adopt? When a Punjabi gets opportunity, Punjabi gets rights to choose their script, when Tamil people gets rights to choose their script, when Telugu people gets rights to choose their script, why only Tiprasa can? And to those who speak big words in front of public, please come forward. Keep your identity above political party. Keep your culture above political party. Keep your jati, keep your samaj above political party. Party comes and goes. Maybe you may be in power for 5 years, but think for another 1,000 years with whom you'll be living. The generations of our people, our identity. Oboni baga one should be high see. Tini o hawa e hawa sin om thik layo e hawa 186 tabuk numbers of king, the last king tabuk kathang tongko. Tini e hawa sung andolon kaina ni right rezagya. E hawa amani kok borok sanani sung right rezagya. E hawa sini soy om thik lai asai nai e riang rok tini Bangladeshi jagi tong haisi. E hawa tini IPF ti high political party Ugrovadi hinjagi tong haisi. E hawa tini sini jatto sini mung, sini thai ni bumung, sini jaga ni bumung, sini jatto ni bumung tini slai jagi tong. But yet, some big leaders holding the post of government choose to keep silent just because they fear that if they speak for the rights of our people, they may lose their position. But the warriors of Bubagra never do like that. We'll come forward to speak for our rights. And yes, of course, tomorrow in the rally, we all will participate as Tiprasa, not as political party, not as organization's leader. We all will participate as Tiprasa. And we also expect all the leaders to come forward and support. Because norok ni basabati ba I roman script ba ni sinani bagay nango. Norok ni basabati ba jesek pa no ng political party khai tong di I amani kok borok no sinya bagay roman script ba sinya nango. Nang agi se kotor ja leader khai tong nero national party khayo nei NIT na andolon no samilingya. Maharaja Bir Bikram ni airport ng nafro andolon khaya. O bahai kabang jaga andolon no samilingya. Tini haino hai itihas repeating na ni thangi tong haisi. I think and I believe thansa ke sungma phainai, thansa ke sungma basanai and tabo I boro rona juri salasa. Ha? Devanagari script no adopt khai nei. Kha khaino? I boro rona salasa. Punjabi language, the Tamil ni script adopt khai khaino. Then how dare sini script no sung tamo suinai, tamo chanai, tamo kanai, sab decide khainai. Sung decide khainai haisi. Our land is our right. Our language is our right. सबका साथ सबका विकास हमा बाई सिमिंगला सबका साथ सबका लैंग्वेज हना नगन सबका साथ सबका स्क्रिप्ट हना नगन हाइसे then only सबका साथ सबका विकास the prime minister of India भाषण रुवा हाइसे सबका साथ सबका विकास but ओ जगह खाई रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि विरोध मेघालय खाई रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि विरोध दंमाया मिजोराम खाई रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि विरोध दंमाया आसाम रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि विरोध दंमाया बत्ती प्रासानी अगेंस्ट गई तांगई अमुन बागे आं कोइनाई जत्तो सिनी खापांगनी रांगसाकनी किचिंग सोंग रांगसाकनी मारे किचिंग सोंग रांगसाकनी बायब सोंग रांगसाकनी माफा सोंग खनानी सालो जत्तोनो पाल बाक्सा कई नरो फाइजा बायदि खनानी सालो पाल बाक्सा फायै सिनी आमानी कक कक बरकनो सैनानी बागै रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नि बागै जों ककटी सालायनानी ब्लाइ ब्लाइ के हामबाय खनानी सालो मालायनि हाइजे थैंक यू गुड नाइट